In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post in a school community group. Whether you're cleaning up outdated content or simply correcting an error, knowing how to remove a post is a useful skill to have. So, let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can manage your school community content smoothly and effectively. First things first, you'll need to log into your school account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the school website. If you have your login credentials handy, go ahead and enter them. This step is critical because without logging in, you won't be able to access your communities or make any changes. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the specific community that contains the post you wish to delete. You'll see a list of your communities on your school dashboard. Click on the name of the community you're focusing on. This will take you to the main page of that particular community, where its recent activity and posts are displayed. Now locate the community tab within the selected community. It's usually visible in the navigation menu. Clicking on the community tab allows you to access all the posts and discussions related to that group. With the community tab open, it's time to find the post you want to delete. Scroll through the list of posts, but keeping an eye out for the one in question. This might take a few moments if there are many posts, but take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct one. Once you've identified the appropriate post, look towards the top right corner of the post. You'll notice a small three-dot menu. This is sometimes referred to as an options menu, and is a common feature in various applications to access additional settings or actions. Click on this three-dot menu to reveal a list of options related to the post. Among these options, you'll find the Delete choice. Go ahead and select it. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog, asking you to confirm whether you're certain you want to delete the post. Carefully consider this action, as deleting a post is typically permanent and cannot be undone. If you're sure about your decision, confirm the deletion. Simply click the Confirm button, and the post will be removed from the community immediately. It disappears not only from your view, but also from the view of every member of that community. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a post in your school community group. Remember, keeping your community organized by removing unnecessary or outdated content can enhance the overall user experience for all members. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.